While I'm in my room, I feel so depressed, and I feel like I've got no aim about my future, about my life. When I came here, it was a new place for me, so I was so excited about learning new things and having some more skills. For the first time, I didn't feel strange.
Well, I wasn't in school for a while. My life was going downhill. But then since I got back into doing some myned, it's coming better.
I wake up earlier now, earlier in the mornings, got a routine, which is a lot better than if I was in school or not doing anything at all. So